Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a Twitch name color. I'll be showing you how to change it on PC and mobile. Now on PC, just go ahead and open up your favorite streamer's channel. Now once you're in here, just go ahead over to these tiny buttons right here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. All right. Now in here, just click on chat identity. Click on it, and as you can see here, you can just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find global name color. As you can see, mine is set to right here. As you can see, it is set to purple. Now to change it, go back to the same set of settings. Now to be able to change it, just go ahead and select your color right here. For example, orange. Or if you want more colors, just click on this one right here. All right. Say, for example, I'm going to choose this bright green right here, or spring green. All right. As you can see here, it is now changed in here as well, how your name will appear in chat on this particular channel. Now I'll go back to the chat and just click on this down arrow right here. Click on it. Now we're going to type in the best. Enter. And as you can see here, mine have changed to green. Now, if you don't see any changes right here, you would want to restart the browser right here. All right, to be able to see the changes. That's basically how you do it on PC. Now on phone, go ahead over to your favorite streamer's channel. Now in here, you're going to want to tap on the three dots right here. Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on your identity or your username. Tap on it. As you can see, with the same set of options, just go ahead and select your color. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.